Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Subaru BRZ Z1 Coupe, stock reference number 4139. The shape runs from the 7th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front and the rear. The bonnet has a slight fold, will suit track car. We have the left headlight, left fog light and bar indicator, left bar guard flasher, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear is 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the left tail light. Boot lid has a few folds but suit track car or private buy. Right hand rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold mirror type. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and black suede with red stitching. Automatic type console in black, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.